the following video, I would like to show you how to assemble a SIPROTEC5 protection device. Let us continue with a modular device and put together an example device. We will then have a detailed look at the hardware. As an example, we will realize a simple feeder protection with a directional overcurrent protection relay. In addition, we use an I/O expansion module, IO205, because we need several digital in and outputs for the application. And for communication with the substation automation system, I would like to add two electrical Ethernet interfaces. In front of me, there are the suitable base module and the IO205 expansion module required for the additional digital I/Os. Now we are ready to start putting together the components, and I'll show you how easy that is. As a first step, we remove the plastic screw covers by inserting a suitable screwdriver into the slots in the cover and loosening the covers with a slight turn so we can take them off. We do this on the top and on the bottom of the base module and of the expansion module. Now we can see the mounting holes for mounting the protection device in the cabinet later on. The next step is to remove the bus cover of the device. Now we put the expansion modules on the right side next to the base module and insert the two hinged angle clips of the expansion module into the recesses of the base module. Then we swivel the expansion module towards the device we want to connect so that the lower snap-in spring engages. Now we screw the two modules together with the contact tab on the top side. Then we close the remaining open device bus connection on the right side of the expansion module. As a last step, we attach the plastic screw covers on the base module and on the expansion module, each on top and bottom. Done. Now we have our modular overcurrent protection device consisting of a base module with an on-site operation panel with a large graphic display and an expansion module in front of us. But don't worry, we don't always have to assemble your device by yourself. Our protection device comes assembled from our factory. Only if you want to expand the existing devices, you can also do that by yourself, as I have just shown you. After you have seen now how to assemble a device, I would like to show you the main features of the front and rear side of the device in the following video.